Namaste, guys. I am Chirand here, and today I am going to propose a theory. It's going to be very interesting. And what's the topic? Light. No, and what I'm going to discuss about the question about why the path of light is straight. See, you might have heard or saw in YouTube videos, and yep, it is proven also that why the path of light is straight. You know, the basic explanation for this, according to our old physics, according to the great scientist, is that light is the fastest object in the whole universe. And for it to be fastest, it should travel in the shortest path. Now, if you know a bit of geometry, you might be knowing that in 2D geometry, straight line would be the shortest path, right? Now that is why light travels in the straight line. But what I'm going to say is very different, right? They have said one thing. What is that thing? They've said and given explanation about why light travels in a straight line, but I'm going to say why light's path is straight. Of course, it is sounding similar, but what I'm going to say is very different. Now, let's get to practical. Here, I have a book and a pencil, basic essentials. Now, I have a page over here. I'll try to draw a line from this point to this point. This line, I'll name it A. Line. Yes, this is line A. And I'm going to draw it extremely slowly. And I'm not trying to make this bigda sa, right? It's almost straight, right? So I'm going to draw the second line. I'm going to name it B. Line B. C. Now what I'm going to do is that I'll try to connect these 2 points, but with maximum speed, right? I mean, it's not perfect. I'll try to draw here. Just look at that. Now, if you take this segment to this segment and this segment to this segment, you compare this two, right? I'm taking the camera. You can see that here there is a lot of wobbling, right? It is not exactly straight. Now here, of course, it's tilted over here because my hand wasn't out of control, right? I hope you understand. And here it's perfectly straight. See, look at this. I've zoomed this. I've zoomed this. Ain't that good? Now, let's say this line shows the path of particle. This line shows the path of light. I hope you understood why light travels in a straight path. See, the point here is not about drawing straight lines. The point here is the more the fast the object moves, the more the clearer or straighter the object moves. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Light is extremely fast, extremely fast. That is why it is so much straight. Now, let's say, for example, simple experiment. I know that you all ride cycles. Now I would ask you a question. Say you have a path here to here. This path is A. This path is B. I'll ask you to move in this path very slowly and track your trajectory, your path. It would be something like this. Bigla. It is 100% true, okay? Very slowly, right? And I'll ask you to pick up some speed and move very fastly. It is gonna be a straight line. Hell yes, right? I know that. You guys know that it is gonna be a straight line. That is why light travels in a straight line. Ain't that amazing? So, I hope you're clear with what I'm gonna say. I'm saying. I know that you are extremely clear. Now you have a clear clarity about why light moves in a straight line, and you will not find anywhere on YouTube this thing. This is totally proposed by me and my friends. You know, yeah, I tell you the camera. I got the idea about this in a thought experiment today, and I'm recording this evening. I was in the ground. I was just playing with my friends in the soil. It is annual day. I was playing with a stick and just a physics talk we were doing. I told to my friend, hey friend, his name was Amitosh. I took a stick, you know. I dug the ground this way, slowly. I showed him the path. It is unclear, right? It's not a straight line. I did. Straight line, right? Ain't it? Then I, then I just thought experiment. Then physics talk we were doing, and we're doing some time pass. I dug the ground. I had put the stick in that thing, the ground. I'd closed it, and I was playing in the ground. I took it very fastly. I did. I saw that there was some gap left behind. It was perfect. And I did the same thing but slowly. I took it. Every single soil particle fell in there. It wasn't unclear. Then explained to my friend that I took a stick, the same stick, and I wrote it down. I explained the line thing which I explained right now. Then I remembered that. Suddenly I say, light, macha light. He says, what light? I say, this is why light moves straightly. It's fast. That is how I got this theory. My God, God's grace, Thank you. And I'm asking you to share this thing because this is, in my point of view, spectacular. Please share this and subscribe to our channel